I have a lot of talent and I want to share that talent in form of video. I want to upload my talent in video form on YouTube. But the problem is that I don't know how to create a YouTube channel. And also I don't know what are the things needed to create a YouTube channel. If you're also one of them who have a lot of questions like this, then don't skip this video. This video is for you. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you what are the things needed to create a YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's start our video. Just to create a YouTube channel, there are need only of 4 things. If you have 4 things, then congratulations, you can create a YouTube channel. In this list, number 1 is an email ID. If you want to create a YouTube channel, then first thing which is needed is email ID. Without email ID, you will not be able to use YouTube application. If you want to like or dislike any video on YouTube, you need email ID and you need to log in first. So first thing that you need is, if you are willing to create a YouTube channel, is email ID. So just go to the Google and type Gmail account and just create your email ID. This was the first thing. Second thing is mobile number. If you have an email ID, you can create a YouTube channel, but that YouTube channel will not properly work until you verify your YouTube channel. Like what is mean? I created a video, I uploaded my video on YouTube, but I cannot use custom thumbnail until I verify my YouTube channel. Just to verify your YouTube channel, there is a need of mobile number. If you have a mobile number, then go and just enter your mobile number and thereafter verify. You will receive a OTP and just type that OTP there and submit. And this way you can verify your channel, and thereafter you can use custom thumbnails and many more features you can use after verification of YouTube channel. So first thing is email ID, second thing is mobile number. And let's talk about the third thing. Third thing is bank account. Obviously, you know very well, once when your channel will start making money, you will be able to earn money on YouTube. Then that money will be transferred to your bank account and then only you can withdraw that. So once when you completed the target of 4,000 hours watch time and 1,000 subscribers, and thereafter your channel will be monetized. After monetization, what will happen? Your channel will start making revenue, and that revenue will be deposited in your Google AdSense account. And if you want to withdraw that money, then you have to transfer that money from your Google AdSense account to your bank account. So just there is a need of bank account. But initially, if you don't have bank account, then there is no problem. Because until you complete your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time, there is no need of bank account. Because only bank account is needed when you your channel will be monetized. So if you don't have a bank account right now, no need to worry. Email ID, mobile number, and the fourth one is content. Obviously, the content is the most important thing. Only creating a YouTube channel is not enough to be famous on YouTube or in digital marketing. No, you need a solid content. Whatever talent you have, you can just convert that talent in video form, and thereafter you can upload on YouTube. So fourth, the most important thing is content. You can have any kind of content, like as you are a vlogger, you love visiting places, then you can make content of vlogging. You can just shoot that, you can take a camera and you can just travel anywhere and just shoot it and just upload it on YouTube. The same way you have a technical skill, then you can share your knowledge in the technical form, convert it in video form and then share it. Any kind of talent you have, you can convert that talent in the content of video form and just upload on YouTube. So only these 4 things are needed. If you want to be a YouTuber and you have these 4 things, then congratulations, you can be a good YouTuber. So this was all about today, actually, and very soon we'll see again another topic. This is a complete course series on YouTube. If you want to be a great YouTuber, then you will get every single thing in this channel. So very soon we'll see again with another topic. For the time being, bye bye and take care.